Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love readings. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay singles love reading. Okay, so para ito sa lahat ng singles na Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio na naghahanap ng new love, okay, waiting for someone special, and manifesting na relationship, love, and connection with your person. Okay, so kung meron na kayong love life or in a relationship kayo, uh, happy kayo with your connection with your person, okay, you can either leave this video or stay and support my channel. Well, dahil pwedeng may kakilala kayong water sign na nangangailangan ng guidance, pwede nyo i-share ko sa kanila. Okay, and like nyo na rin yung video. It helps the channel grow. Sa mga bago, habang binabayas ako, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Sana patuloy niyo suportahan. Sa mga bago, sana supportan niyo rin po by subscribing to my channel, to Mystico Moreno channel, liking this video, and writing a comment sa baba. Share niyo na rin sa mga kilala niyo water signs. Okay, sige. So, ang gagawin ko is bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from this oracle deck. And that will be the overall energy ng reading na to. Okay? And from there, interpret natin siya. We'll go deeper sa reading using the tarot cards later. Okay? Sige, kukunin ko yung third card and March ngayon. Let's start. First card. Faith. Second card. Sincerity. Okay? Third card. Dignity. Okay? Yan. So, alright. So, I can see here na yung person ninyo na darating, itong new love coming, manalig ka lang na darating siya. First, manalig ka lang, have faith na darating itong person soon. Okay? And I can sense yung energy na nasasagap ko ngayon is itong person na to, you will meet this person sa isang event na either you having the same faith, so pwedeng sa church na siya na-meet, sa isang gathering, okay, about beliefs, okay, o pwedeng ito, sa mysticism, right? For example, umattend kayo na isang mystic event, okay, a bazaar, a mystic, so pwedeng din na siya ma-meet. Yun yung nakukuha kong energy. But, more than that, yung isa pang nakukuha kong energy is that have faith lang na darating siya malapit na. Okay? And as I can see here na kapag hindi kayo bumitaw dun sa faith ninyo na malapit na siya dun sa manifestation na ginagawa ninyo with this new love in your life, ibibigay siya sa inyo ng universe. Okay, so tinitignan lang niya how sincere you are din, yun, sincerity. How sincere you are din sa manifestation. Okay? And aside from that sincerity, itong new person na to, yun naman yung nakikita ko. It's more on the new person coming na itong person magiging very sincere siya sa pagmamahal na ipapakita niya sa'yo. Okay? And that's very good. Bakit? Kasi marami ngayon na nagsasabi ng mahal kita, I love you, I will take care of you, I'm happy that you are here in my life. Diba? Yung mga ganong salita, pero hindi nakikita sa gawa kasi hindi sincere. So, it's a good thing na this person coming to your life is full of sincerity. Kapag sinabi niya na mahal kita, papanindigan niya yun. Pag sinabi niya na aalagaan kita, ibibigay ko sa iyo lahat, yung mga ganon, pinapakita niya sa gawa. Dahil nga sincere siya sa mga sinasabi niya. Sincere siya sa nararamdaman niya towards you, di ba? And that's a good sign. Kasi you won't feel na you are taken for granted. Along with sincerity is the energy of appreciation. Okay? So, kapag sincere yung tao sa pagmamahal niya sa iyo, di ba, ma-appreciate niya lahat din ng mga ginagawa, mga efforts, at yung mga pinapakita mong acts of love sa kanya at sa relationship. Okay? And when it comes to dignity naman, alright? So, dignity kasi is, ito yung, alam mo, di ba pag may dignidad ka, alam mo na um, hindi ka pwedeng maliitin. Okay? Hindi ka, alam mo yun, yung hindi din yung mararamdaman mo. Kaya, ang nakukuha kong energy dito kapag kasama mo itong tao na to, may sense of pride. Hindi ka, regardless kung, lalo na kung magkaiba kayo ng level in society, na hindi ka, hindi mo mararamdaman na parang, ay, I'm lesser. Okay? And hindi rin niya yun ipaparamdam. Yung sense of dignity, um, ipaparamdam niya sa'yo yung pagmamahal, and you will be treated with kindness and respect. May respeto. And di ba yun yung masarap na feeling na bukod sa minamahal ka na ng tao, okay? Inaalagaan ka, mabait siya sa'yo, mabuti siya sa'yo, at the same time, nire-respeto ka. Okay? So, it's a good energy. Claim mo na tong energy na to. And what I'm going to do now is to manifest and project this energy papunta sa inyo. All you have to do is claim this energy. Claim nyo na. It's an energy exchange. We'll do energy exchange. Claim nyo na by writing down below sa comment, faith, sincerity, and dignity. Claim nyo na, i-seal nyo yung energy. Manifest it. Manifest. Kung nag-resonate sa inyo at gusto nyo mangyari to, gusto nyo dumating itong love, along with your own manifestation, claim this energy, manifest this. Faith, sincerity, dignity. Isang tao na darating sa buhay nyo na punong-puno ng pagmamahal, someone sincere, someone that will not only love you, but will also treat you with kindness and respect. Okay? And it's a good energy. Go! Claim nyo na. Ayan, sige. Now, proceed tayo sa tarot. Tignan natin ano yung detalye pa ng energy na to. At habang binabalance ako to, okay, gusto ko i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So, dahil collective reading siya, this may or may not resonate with everyone. Dahil I'm trying to tap the energy ng buong water signs. Okay? So, kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag niyong pilitin. Possible na hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun mag-resonate na. Kaya, very important na nakasubscribe kayo para updated sa mga readings na gagawin ko pa. Okay? Or, panoorin nyo yung mga videos na na-post ko na in the past. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Alright, so bubunot ako dito sa deck na to ng walang cards. Ayan, interpret natin. At anong sinalaman niya sa overall energy. So same, I will get the third card. Merge ngayon. Sige, simulan natin. First card. The Emperor. Second card. King of Pentacles. Oh, pulsing energy. Huh? Third card. Ten of Wands. Fourth card. The Fool. Fifth card. Knight of Pentacles. Sixth card. Knight of Wands. Seventh card. Ace of Cups. Oh, window. And last card. The High Priestess. Wow, ang ganda ng cards niyo. Nice, nice. Water signs. Okay. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Pentacles. Nice. Ganda. Okay. Ace of Pentacles pa yun. Alright. So, first, I would say that this is really new love coming. And this new love is very abundant. There's a high potential of something long term. There's so much love. Okay? So, nagsimula siya sa The Emperor, naging siya sa The High Priestess. And first, there's a very strong energy of Aries, Aquarius, and Cancer, saka Pisces. Okay, so pwedeng yun yung signs ng person na darating sa life niyo or yung person nyo na you're looking forward na magkaroon ng connection or relationship. So, pwedeng yun yung signs, pwedeng hindi. Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagad sa reading na to. Or you have to check yung Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising placements ng person. Okay? Kasi pwedeng yun din yung mga signs nila. Okay? Alright, now let's interpret it. Okay, so itong darating na person is a very secure person. Meron siyang sense of responsibility. Marunong siya magdala ng relasyon. Okay, and having this energy of faith, sincerity, and dignity, itong person na to talaga, ipapakita niya sa iyo na mahal ka niya while balancing everything in his life. Okay? So, yung mga priorities niya, syempre, of course, darating siya sa life mo na meron ng possible good career, a good foundation, connection with his or her family. Okay? Pero at the same time, ipaparamdam niya sa'yo na priority ka niya. Alam mo yun, kaya niyang i-balance lahat ng bagay. Meron siyang sense of leadership, sense of responsibility, Okay? And alam niya na papasok siya sa relasyon dahil gusto niya at ready siya. Okay? Hindi siya yung papasok sa relasyon tapos nagdadalawang isip na um, tapos hindi mag-effort masyado. Walang ganun. So this energy, this person coming, okay? Even if yung emperor, yung energy niya is the divine masculine, walang gender sa tarot. So it can be a female, male, or even if same gender kayo. So, pero yung energy niya, yung pinopossess niyang trait is very stable. Someone, ito yung tao na you can really depend on. Okay? And medyo similar yung energy, King of Pentacles. So, itong person na to, and in this connection, there will be so much abundance. Okay? Ma-feel mo na lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo, yung mga needs mo na meet. Okay? Wala kang mag-feel na, ay, hindi niya nabibigay yung mga pangangailangan ko. Walang ganun. Kasi ipoprovide niya lahat. And walang drama na magsasabihan kayo na I cannot continue this anymore because I cannot provide your needs. Walang ganung drama. Okay? Why? Dahil itong tao na ito very secure at alam niya yung pinapasok niya, kaya ibibigay niya sa'yo yung mga sinabi niyang ipoprovide niya when it comes to the relationship. Okay? Your needs will be met. Okay? And dito naman sa Ten of Wands, what I can see here is, yun nga, it's something na it may seem in other readings na as feeling obliged. Okay? Pero hindi ganon yung nakikita kong energy dito. Albeit yung energy pa rin niya is about responsibility because nga connecting to the emperor energy na very responsible tong person na to. Ito mas, alam mo yun, parang ang dating lang kasi nga itong energy niya is very, very stable and very responsible and there's a, alam mo yun, very sincere nga siya at pinapakita niya sa iyo ng buong buo yung pagmamahal niya. Medyo on your part lang, meron lang tendency, syempre, to um, na mapantay mo. Okay? So there will be some adjustments on your end to meet or to reciprocate the same energy, which I can say will happen. Okay? Especially, syempre, single ka ngayon, di ba? So, I I can sense here then na it's been a while. Parang hindi ko nakikita dito na you just recently um, separated from a past relationship. Hindi. Feeling, ang nakukuha kong energy dito, it's been a while then na you're not in a relationship. Okay? Kaya there's some adjustment from singlehood to being in a relationship. So may mga adjustments na ganun. Kaya itong Ten of Wands, more on your energy dito na you have to be also responsible and to reciprocate yung same energy and responsibility na ipapakita nitong tao nito. Okay? And this is really a new beginning for the two of you. Shown here by the Fool card, which is a card of new beginning. Okay? And taking a leap of faith. Taking a leap of faith. The Fool. So, yung energy niya nag-aalan. Okay? So, there's a new beginning. Okay? You will take a leap of faith. Alright? In this connection. And this person is also taking a leap of faith in this connection that would lead dalawang knights. Okay? Knight of Pentacles, which is, again, it's a card of responsibility, but at the same time, a card of consistency. Okay? Ito yung energy na, alam mo yun, consistent lang. Kaya nga sincere eh. Sincere tong love kasi magiging consistent siya sa pag-express nung nararamdaman niya, wala yung pag-ibig niya, pagmamahal niya sa inyo. Okay? Hindi siya yung um, init, lamig, gano'n, or tamis, alat, tamis anghang. Di ba? Walang gano'n. So, puro tamis lang. Okay? Okay? Puro init lang. O, di ba? Ayan. So, what I mean is very consistent yung pag-express ng love sa connection na to. And at the same time, Knight of Wands is a card of, ano mo yun, yung confidence ba sa relationship and yung eagerness na i-pursue siya. Dito naman dito sa Ace of Cups, sa Ace of Pentacles pa, ang bottom of the deck. Ito yung hindi nyo na-expect, but Ace of Pentacles kasi is a card of, um, again, investment. Mag-invest talaga tong tao na to sa love, sa connection, okay? Sa relationship. And Ace of Cups is a card of love and happiness. It has the same energy of the lovers, the major arcana, so Ace of Cups. Ito na, sinil na niya, Ace of Cups. There's so much love. And the High Priestess is a card of deep connection. So there will be deep connection, di ba? A sense of mystery, di ba? Siyempre, di ba, will be exciting pa rin that may mga bagay na will unfold eventually uh, as the relationship grows. So yun din yung energy no, the High Priestess. Unfolding of events, okay? Because you took a leap of faith, mag-unfold yan in a good way. Alright? And just use your intuition din sa mga bagay-bagay. It will help sa mga decisions na gagawin niyo. Okay, so it's a good energy again. Claim nyo na. Ayan, sana nakatulong. Okay, so, ayan. Manifest this energy. I'm really sending this good vibes, good energy papunta sa inyo. Claim it. Ayan, so, kita-kits na lang ulit sa susunod ko pang reading. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. Again, use this reading as guidance and use this with discernment. Okay? Ayan. So, muli, maraming salamat sa suporta. Abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. O in short, mismo, kita-kits. Ingat!